Click power, no response. Unscrew the back cover screws. Open the bottom cover. Tear off the battery adhesive sheet. Lift the battery connector. Disconnect screws at the cable port of the control board connected by screws. Disconnect screws at the loudspeaker. Put the speaker flat. Slide a plastic card under the battery, apply adhesive remover, and gently push until the battery fully detaches. Remove the battery slowly. Use adhesive remover and a crowbar to remove excess adhesive from your computer. Put the XINGLT battery in place. Tear off the protective paper on the back of the battery. Align the battery into position. Screw on the battery circuit board. Tear the transparent protective film off the battery. Set up the speakers. Organize the speaker cables. Screw on the speaker. Insert the battery port into the computer connector. Paste the adhesive sheet on the circuit board. Close the computer bottom cover. Tighten the rear cover screws. Power on successfully, replacement completed.